Okay, friends, welcome back in our LaraBook series. Latest video about we will display online friends and offline friends with their status and green dot. Okay, first of all, I will tell you the last part we have covered show the online user, but we need online friends who is logged in, have a user in friend list. Here is a table is friendship table. We will create our uh, relationship between two tables, user table and friendship table inside our user model. So for that, go to your user.php is our user model. Inside this, create a function, name it friends. Okay, friends. Here we will return this. It will be belongs to your app and is friendships. It will be same name of your model name for friendships. Okay, and here id is user id. Second parameter is we will target here requested. You can target user requested and you can target both merge. For now I will target this. It will be return the array. So we will try to display this array inside our welcome blade. Here I will try to display generally our array. So open your welcome blade. Before this S3, I will say our app user with this function inside you will put name of your function and get function. Okay. Mm, Let me reload, and here is the array of user who is friend with me. Okay. So for that, we will try to generally put this place of all user. So it will convert this in our friend. Okay. So let me open internet window, uh, LaraBook, login with any other user to see. I have this user Anita, and here you can see two users now online, but we need a else part also. Here you will display simply name of user who is not online. Okay, this here you can say uh, not not online, you can say not online. Okay, just commenting to show you. Uh, Now, what is the difference between? I will show you. I can make it bold. Okay, who is online? Okay, yes, Anita is online. Demo is not because I think a cache is cleared. Okay, now two person is online. Anita is my, my friend. Yeah. Now, uh, let me create a I class. Font awesome is circle and give it color green. Just make it dot like a Facebook. Yeah, here is dot and put it right side. Okay, pull right and color is not complete. Now two-person is online. Let me open this. Okay, uh, LaraBook, I don't remember any person like John. I think John. Yeah. Login. Go to home page and here Anita is offline. So go to Anita browser, reload. Now 3% and here also 3%. Anita demo John. So uh, yeah, here also. So this was our tutorial about create online user list who is your friend and who is login. Other person is offline. Okay, you can do it. Design is up to you. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you. If you have any query, please comment below.